Am I audible,
Yeah,
Ruchita?
yes. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you are in grade 11.
Yeah.
Which board?
IB.
Okay, fine. Okay. So first we'll discuss about digital SAT. Now it is uh, you have to give this exam online. So the calculator will be allowed. Before it was calculator part and non-calculator part, but now calculator is allowed. So you can carry your calculator, or there will be a digital calculator will be provided on your screen.
Okay.
So basically,
Only are
yeah,
scientific calculators allowed or only like the normal ones?
normal also you can take it, but better you take scientific calculator.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, digital SAT, this will be basically your 70 minutes paper where you have to solve 44 questions.
Okay.
Now, in that, there will be questions. Some questions will be there. Means total, I think, total 6 questions will be there, in which you will not have options. Means you have to type it. There will be keyboard, digital keyboard will be there. You have to type those answers. Suppose some which is given 25 by 3. So you have to divide it and you have to type that answer. Okay. Rest of the questions will have options. 4 options will be there. Okay. Now let's talk about the syllabus. You understood, Ruchita?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Okay. Okay, now let's talk about syllabus. So syllabus is simple. It is basically of your 9th and 10th syllabus of algebra part. If I talk about algebra, we'll be having algebra, geometry, and graphical. Graph will be there. So that one you have to be. First one, algebra. In that, you know about quadratic equation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that part will be there. Then linear equation. What was linear equation?
Y is equal to mx plus z.
We can say that, or general equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to c. That is all. Linear equation. Then we had arithmetic progression. We had probability. Your statistic. In that, there is a mean, median, mode.
Yeah.
So major part will come up from the chapter mean, that is average.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have percentage.
Like how much percentage is that way?
Yeah. Percentage means where it will be like this: 12 girls, 6 boys are present. So what percentage of boys are present of total?
Okay.
Like these questions will be there. Means we have solved in I think grade 8 standard.
Mm.
In grade 8 we have solved. So that will come. This will be most means which you have, these parts you would have done in 10th. But basic questions also will come. Like percentage, fraction, then question on laws of indices. We'll discuss about it. Each chapter will discuss. We are just now, I'm just covering the syllabus. Okay. So next will be, this is your algebra part. Then in geometry, question will be based on, in algebra, number system also will be there. Then we will be having some questions on polynomials. Basic questions also will be there. Next one, in geometry, circle chapter.
Like calculating the area and perimeter.
No, that comes in mensuration. Circle, you would have learned about properties, theorems.
Yeah.
Means if suppose a tangent is passing through the circle and radius is joined that, then what will be the angle of this?
90. Yeah.
Yeah, these all the things. Then if you draw diameter, and if you take any point on the circle, then what will be the angle of this?
90.
Yeah, these all comes in that. Then you have triangles. You would have learned about triangle properties of triangles. Two similar triangle, similarity between two triangles. Have you done that?
Yeah, I think I have. I'll probably
Uh-huh.
need to
We will revise it. Don't worry. We will revise everything. Okay, then triangles, then mensuration. In that, we will be calculating area, volume. Okay, that in that there will be circle, triangle. Then we have tetragon, pyramid. All these shapes that will come in mensuration. Okay, next, the most important one is in geometry is coordinate geometry. Remember what is coordinate geometry?
Yeah,
Slope.
finding the points and
Yeah,
distance and
slope. You know what is slope?
yeah.
Can you give me formula or something if you know, remember definition something?
I think the formula is rise upon run, but like I
Yeah,
can do it, but I
exactly.
don't know the why.
Yeah. See, we if you take in terms of angle, if you take in terms of angle from positive x-axis, we measure it in anti-clockwise, and the formula is tan theta. And if the points are given, means 2 points are given, suppose x1 y1 and x2 y2, at that time the formula will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x. So you're correct. Rise over run. We take it like this: opposite upon adjacent. That's why the angle of the formula is tan theta.
Hmm.
Okay. Then you'll be having
Do you
graph.
think will there be trigno, tan, sine, cos?
Yes, Trigno will be there. Trigno means spatial questions will not be there. The question will be based on the triangle chapter. Means if you have to find the area, you can use the formula for trigonometry opposite upon, means for finding a, let's take one example, because sometimes it comes in finding the triangle. Suppose this is theta and this one is given 2 and this one is given 5. So if you have to find this side, what you can do? What is the formula for sine theta?
Opposite upon hypotenuse.
Opposite upon hypotenuse. And if I have to find cos theta,
Cos is adjacent upon.
yeah, adjacent upon hypotenuse. So we can use this side, and cos 45, using this we can find this.
So nothing like.
Means you are asking me the formula was, means suppose if they have given two proof which you have done, na, sec square theta plus 2 tan theta is equal to 4,
I
like this
don't.
one.
We haven't done it in IB. I don't. We haven't learned
No,
this.
if you know this much part, na, what is sine theta opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, then tan theta opposite upon adjacent. These all you know.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
much
That
only we
that.
will require, not more than that.
Okay.
We'll require that much
Yeah.
only. Okay. Then next one is graphical, means statistical data will be given, and the statistical data sometimes from using coordinate geometry, finding slope, we can get it. Sometimes by observing picture, we'll find the answer. So one or two question is compulsory there for graph. Based on graphical, you have to find the answer.
Hmm.
Okay. So this was the syllabus. I hope you understood the syllabus part.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Let's solve some questions. Okay.
So your institute will just focus on digital math for SAT, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't do the English part, right?
No, they also do not. English also. English teacher will be there for you.
Oh, okay.
English will be taught by some other teacher, and maths will be taken by me.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So now we have questions which is based on laws of indices. So first we will see some questions, some theory of laws of indices. We will revise it so that I should know how much you know. If you don't know in between, I'll explain that. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's just revise some part of laws of indices. I hope you're having pen and paper.
Yeah. It's all good.
Okay. Because for max we need it.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I write a raised to m into a raised to n, what will be the answer?
A m plus n.
Yeah. And if there is a division,
A m minus n.
and if it is like this, a raised to m upon b raised to m, then what will be the answer?
It's still minus, right?
What will be?
Oh, a raised to m upon b raised
B
to
raised to m. Base is different, power is same.
m. I don't
Here,
know.
first in the first two, what is there? Base is same, power is different, and there's a sign of multiplication. That's why we have added. And here, base is same, sign is power is different, and the sign of division. So that's why minus. Now here, when the base is different and power is same, simply what we can do, we can take it together.
Okay.
That's what we can do. Yeah. And if it is in multiplication, then same way, we'll multiply AB raised to and what will be A raised to 0?
1.
Okay. 1 upon A raised to M.
It'll be a upon m by 1 or negative.
A upon M by 1?
No, upon
A
as
to
in
the
like
power.
a to the
A
power.
negative,
Negative 1 by m, I think, or m by 1.
something like this.
Yeah.
No, that's wrong. When it is in denominator, if you're taking it up, the power will change to A raised to minus M will come, not 1 upon M will come.
Right.
Or you can write A raised to M as 1 upon A raised to minus M. Sorry. Okay. And suppose we are having A, B raised to minus 1. What we can change here?
We can change b because it'll be b raised to power 1, I think.
Yeah. We can write B upon A.
Yeah.
Okay. So as far as I think we have done this laws of indices, let's solve some question based on this topic. Okay. Okay. So first, what we'll do, first you try to solve it. When you don't get it, then I'll explain. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, see the first question. For real numbers A, B, C, and D, suppose C raised to A is equal to D, D raised to B is equal to C. Which of the following must be the value of C raised to BA? Start.
Mm-hmm. It's b raised to C.
Option C.
Yeah.
Start. Let's Okay, let's see the next question. If x raised to minus 2, y raised to 6 is equal to 125, then what is cube root of x square by y square? Means you can write it this one as like this. Y raised to 6 upon x square is equal to 125. And you can make this also. Check.
Check what? Sorry.
Now start solving.
I think I'm lost in this question. I'm not able to solve it.
Just try a little. I'll give you one more hint. X raised to the second, right? 2 by 3
Yeah.
upon y square. See, this one is given y raised to 6 upon x square. Can you make this one as something like this? Or this one, if we want, can I write this as 1 upon x square by y raised to 6? Or else, this, if this is creating confusion, I can write. See, this one is given here. Numerator is x and denominator is y. Here, numerator is y and denominator is x. So what I can do, I can write this as x square by y raised to 6 as 1 upon 125. Can I do this? Just changing numerator and denominator.
Yeah.
Okay. Now look here. Here what it is given 2 and here it is y square. And here the answer, this one is given in terms of x square. So if I have to remove this power by 3, what I'll do? If something we have to remove in denominator, what we do? We multiply.
Yeah.
Okay. So that means if I'm multiplying here by 3, if I'm multiplying here by 3, at the same time I have to divide it 1 by 3. Correct? Okay. Now, here is y raised to 6. This one I'll get, this I'll cancel it, I'll get x square. But here also it should be 6. Correct? The power. So again, what I'll do for making it 6, I'll multiply it by 3. If I'm multiplying, that means I have to divide it by 3. Correct?
Yeah.
Now check this. This get cancelled. So what I'll get, x square upon y raised to 6. Now see, power is same.
Yeah.
So I can take it common.
Yeah. And then 1 by 3.
So what is the answer? X square by y raised to 6?
Which is 1 by 25.
Upon 1 by 25. And what will be the cube root of that? Because 1 by 3 is cube root, na?
0.2? No?
No, wait. 125. What is cube root of 125?
What is
Cube root. Cube root, dear. 5 into 5 into 5.
Oh, yes.
This
Okay,
one,
got it.
So this one, if it is 3 times, that means 5 will come. Cube root of 125, what will the answer? 5, right? Because see, this one is 1 by 3, na? So we will write this like this. 125. Now tell me. So answer will be 1 by 5. So what is the answer for 1 by 5? Because here it is given in the form of decimal.
0.2.
Yes. So option B. Let's check it one more time. So what was given? X raised to minus 2, y raised to 6 is 125. And we have to find cube root of x square by y square. So first thing, what we can do, this is given in the terms of numerator x and y. So what I did, just reverse it, x square by y raised to 6. So I got 121 upon 125. Now, if I observe here, what is there? X raised to 2 by 3 and here is y square. What I need to make, because the options are not given in terms of x and y. So what I need to change, we have to change, this one is given, square is there, but denominator 3 is given. So I can remove by multiplying and dividing. At the same time, here is power is 2. So for making it 6, I have to multiply it by 3 and will divide it by 3. So what I got, x square by y raised to 6, that I can substitute as 1 by 125 and cube root of 125 is 5. So 1 by 5 answer is 0.2. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, now you solve, suppose a is equal to 2 raised to 100 minus 2 raised to 99. What is a minus 2 raised to 99?
But isn't that just A isn't A 2? So wouldn't it be just 2 minus 2 raised to the power 99?
Okay, so according to you, you are giving me answer of A. You are giving me answer of A is 2 raised to 99. This you are telling me?
No. 1 second. Is it B?
Answer 2. Okay. Check it once again. What do you got the value of A before substituting in that question?
I think I got the value of A. 1 second. As 2, but then I think it's wrong.
Ah. That's why we have learned that laws of indices. The first one, A raised to m into A raised to n. Why we have done this?
Is it right if I'm getting A as 1?
No. Okay, let me see. I think you're doing mistake over here only. See, what you have done, have you taken common 2?
Sorry?
What you did here? What you did here? You have taken 2 common or 2
No.
raised to 99?
I took 2 raised to 99. I didn't
Okay,
take
if you okay, if you're taking 2 raised to 99 common, what is left over here?
2 raised to 1.
Okay, and what is left over here?
Oh, should 1?
Oh yeah, only 1. So 2 raised to 1, that is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer of A will be 2 raised to 99. Understood? Where you did mistake?
Yeah.
Now check. What will be answer?
So that's 0. A.
Yes. So in basically in a digital sat now, they don't give hard question. They just want to know your basics, how much good you are in basic, where we do silly mistakes.
Got it.
Chalo, let's see the next question. 3 raised to A into 3 raised to B is 729. 3 raised to A upon 3 raised to B is equal to 9. For real number A and B, what is the value of A? To solve it, see.
Yeah.
And if you can see the options are numbers are, it is given answers in numbers. It is not in the form of A or B. Are you getting any equation in that?
Yeah, I'm doing the linear equation because it's
Yeah. Correct. You're on right track. Good.
But I'm getting way too high numbers.
Okay. See, this one you would have got 3 raised to A plus B
Yeah.
is equal to 729.
9.
Okay. This one you would have got 3 raised to A minus B is equal to
9.
9. Then how we will compare? When base is same, then I can compare the power.
Yeah.
So what will be 729 in terms of 3? If you don't know, so we can take LCM of that. If I'm taking 3, 3 2s are 6, 4s are 12, 243, then 3 8s are 24, 1, then 27, then 9, then 3, then 1. So how many 3 are there? 6. I can write 3 raised to 6. And same way here also, A minus B is equal to 3 square will come. Now base is same. That means power is same. So you got linear equation. A plus B is equal to 6.
And A minus
B is equal to 2. Now solve it.
Is it B? A is equal to 4.
Yeah. Okay, let A, B, C be positive number if 4 raised to A is equal to 9B and 2 raised to A is equal to 3C. Then what is B in terms of C? So first thing, how you will relate that?
It's just C square.
You got C square?
Because you have to raise 3 to the power of 2 to get 9. So that means you also have to raise C to the power of 2 to get 9B.
Okay, so you got answer C square. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, next one. For real numbers x, y, a and b, suppose x raised to 1 by 3 is equal to under root a and y raised to minus half is equal to fourth root of b. Suppose.
Is the question incomplete or is this the question?
Yeah. I think the question is what is x upon y something. Wait. Wait, let me check. We'll skip this question for a while. We'll come to this question later on, okay?
Okay.
That is, I think, xy or x upon y something is there. We'll come. Which of the following is equivalent to 3 raised to x, 2 raised to 100 minus 3 raised to x, 2 raised to 99?
Is it D?
This one?
Yeah.
Scared. Yeah. I'll just read the question. This is based on topic average. So, what is the formula for average? We call it mean.
Total amount of upon number of.
Sum of data, we can say upon number of data. Wait, Azan is going on now, so there will be disturbance. We'll wait for 1 minute. Okay, then I'll write the question. Ruchika, I hope now you can read the question well.
Yeah.
Yes, there's not even font size, there's a problem.
I don't understand. I think it's C, but I don't understand.
Now you got directly answer. No, it's not about guessing the answer. Oh, this could be the answer. Let's see. Suppose that on an exam, the class average of n students is 90. However, 6 students were caught cheating and the scores were replaced with zeros. If the class average dropped to 50, which of the following gives the average of 6 students who cheated prior to getting caught? So one thing we know, they've given average of n students. Let's take that. Before it is x bar is 90. So at that time, if I apply that formula, sum of all the scores upon number of students. So I can rewrite that summation x as 90n. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Total score. Okay. After getting caught, cheating. So at that time, what is dropped to 50, they have told. So let's take that y bar. That is 50. So I can write based on this summation y is 50 n because there's scores, but still we are writing n because the students are there. Only their scores is replaced by 0. Correct. Now the total score is 50 n.
Yeah.
Okay, what they're asking, which of the following gives the average of 6 students who cheated prior to getting caught? In the total score, the students, 6 students score, what it will be? It will be?
0.
No, before. Means first the total marks was 90n and if they have replaced that 0. Now the total marks is 50n. That means the students whose score is not added, that is 40n.
40.
How many students are there? 6. They're asking for the average. So that means 40n divided by 6. So what will be answer? 20n by 3. As you have told before, the answer is 20n by 3, but you don't know how it comes. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for the next. Okay. Now see, Alice and Bob are standing diametrically opposite ends of a circular racetrack. Now this is the question of logic. From the starting position, they each walk with steps of constant length. If Alice takes 21 steps clockwise, means Alice is taking 21 steps clockwise. And Bob takes 4 steps clockwise, then they will meet up at the same position. Means Bob is also taking 4 steps clockwise. So they are meeting at some position. Okay. Now the next thing is, however, if from the starting position Alice takes 6 steps clockwise and Bob takes 6 steps counterclockwise, then they will also meet up at the same position. Means now Alice is taking 6 steps. Bob is also taking 6 steps. They are meeting at the some position. Now the question is, how many steps will it take Bob to walk the entire track by himself? Means how many steps will be required to Bob to complete that racetrack? When they are meeting here, Alice is taking 21, Bob is taking 4 steps. And when they are meeting here, Bob is taking 6 steps and Alice is taking 6 steps. What do you understand by this?
What I understand by this.
Means by one time they are meeting at this position. Why they have given this? One time they are meeting at this position. Means Bob is taking counterclockwise and Alice is taking clockwise. They are meeting.
What I got was that the difference is 9 steps. Like if Alice walks 6 steps and she walks 21 steps, then no, sorry. If half is been counted as 12, and then what Alice walks is 21.
Why half will be 12?
Because in the diagram, right?
How it is 12? 6 plus 4, no? Acha, this you are taking of Alice. Only Alice.
Ah, that's where I went wrong.
6 steps. See, that means they both are meeting diametrically at the opposite direction. Means half of the distance. If you check for Bob, check. Bob is taking 4 steps here to meet Alice. Bob is taking here 6 steps to meet Alice. That means Bob is covering half of the racetrack. That is 6 plus 4.
4.
So Bob is taking 10 steps for half. So for full racetrack, it will be
20.
20 steps. Now, if the question they have asked for Alice, then what would be the answer?
$24.
How?
But isn't it the same steps or are their steps different? So wouldn't it
The
be
steps
20?
would be different now. My step, your steps, how it will be same? How we got this 20 steps? Because they are meeting two places. That means they are covering half of the distance. So when you counted for Bob, what you have counted? 4 steps here and 6 steps here. That means half of the distance. 4 plus 6 was 10. Correct. Now check for Alice. This one is 21 till here.
Then wouldn't it be 21 minus 6, which
6,
would be
exactly.
half, which is
15.
15. So 15 into 4 is 60.
4 or 2?
2, sorry, 30. Yeah.
Yeah. So
That's
15 plus 15, that means for if they're asking question for Alice, so there will be 30 steps. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this will come to that question.
What was the question of this?
This way. Wait for one more. I'm just checking. Yeah. Alternatives of xy. Find x by y. That means you have to divide.
Is none of the above possible?
No, 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 no. That is not the option.
Because if I want to just separate x and y, that means I have to take 1 by 3.
Don't separate it. It will create confusion. What you want? You want x by y. That means you have to remove from here 3 and you have to remove here from 2.
Yeah, so I have to take it to the other side, right? So then that'll be 3 root a upon 8
3
root
root.
b or 2 root b?
Let's see. The second right 1 by 3 into y raised to minus half is there to y raised to half. And if suppose I have to take LCM of it, so I have to take this as x square 1 by 3.
Why are we multiplying x and y?
Because this one is given in negative, na?
Oh,
It will create more confusion. So better we'll make it
we
positive.
can't flip them.
Y by x, that is also okay. That is also okay. Later on we can make, but at this, but the same time this will come in negative now. If you flip it, this will become y raised to half and this will become x raised to 1 by 3.
Oh.
And we want the answer of x by y.
Can't we just take the 1 by 3 to the other side?
Before taking to that, we have to make this as same. If this was, if this would be 2, sorry, 3, so we can do na cubing both sides. So before that, I have to make this power same. Means if I have to remove this 3, what I have to do? I have to multiply it by 3. Okay. That means at the same time, I have to divide it by 1 by 3. Same way, this one is minus half. We'll multiply and then we divide it. So what I'll get?
But why are we doing that?
Wait. X upon y, because we want the answer as x upon y, na?
Oh, so to remove 1 by 3.
Yeah. So if I multiply this, so we get x. We want x upon y. It's to 1 by 3. If you're telling me of doing cubing both sides. Okay. See what I have done. I thought this one is in upon. So you were right. First, you take x raised to 1 by 3 as square root 8. Now you can take it. Yeah, I got it. What you were telling. So this means this will be first it was 1 by 2. Now cubing, this will become 3. A raised to 3 by 2. Correct?
Yeah.
Chika?
Yeah.
Okay, x you got a raised to 3 by 2. What about y raised to minus half?
So it'd be
This was b raised to 1 by 4. I'm keeping minus 1 here only. So if you do squaring of that, b raised to 1 by 4 into 2. So this will become b raised to 1 by 2. That is y raised to minus half. So that you can take, means instead of dividing, what I can say multiply. X.
But why did you leave the -1 there?
Wait. See, because now if I put here minus, so this will become negative. This part will become negative. Here it will come b raised to minus half.
Okay.
So, okay. Sorry. So this is what we got, b raised to half. Now see, x into y raised to minus 1. We want x upon y. So what we got, x as a raised to 3 by 2 into b as half. So this what you can write, x upon y. Now your answer is a raised to 3 by 2, b raised to half. Now see in the option, it could be b or c. A raised to 3 by 2, what you can write? A raised to half plus 1 means a raised to half and a raised to 1. Is that okay?
No,
3 by
like,
2.
it doesn't.
No, see. What is 3 by 2? That is 1 plus half.
Yeah.
So I can write a raised to half plus 1. Then I can use laws of indices, a raised to half into a raised to 1.
Ah, yes.
Understood?
Yeah.
Same thing I did. Why I have done this? Because this one is given in the root. AB is not the answer, that we know, because this is 3 by 2 and this one is half.
So answer is B.
So I can write A root AB. That is option B. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
I was solving here the division one. That's why I got confused. Okay. Okay, Richika. So we are ending this over here only. More question will solve soon. Okay. I hope you understood today's session.
Yeah.
So what we are going to do, we will take topics. We'll first do the basics, then we'll solve the questions like this. And same way, I'll write your feedbacks also, how many questions you have done. That also will send you. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Chalo, bye. We'll see you soon.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care.
Mhm.